2, 1. Hi, I wanted to show you how to re-ink your ink pad. After so many uses, depending on how often you use it, your ink pad will get a little bit dry and you won't have as solid of an impression with the ink. So the easy way to do that is to put some more ink into the ink pad. So I just wanted to show you how easy it was, or is. I'm going to open up my ink pad, and this is Poppy Parade, and you want to make sure that you use the same re-inker as ink pad. So it's a Poppy Parade ink pad. This is a Poppy Parade re-inker. And then I'm just going to put some drops right into my ink pad. And this doesn't matter if you have, this is the newer style foam ink pad, you might have the older one, or even if you have those old felt pads, it doesn't matter, it's all done the same way. So, I don't know, about that many drops. And then I like to save some old gift cards, and then I use it just to smooth the ink right into the pad. You could just leave the drops there too, but then they'd just be concentrated right where those spots are. So this way it smooths it out. And the other thing the old gift cards are good for, if you get a new, when you get a new ink pad, sometimes they're very wet, or some demonstrators will call them juicy. And when you stamp it, it's just too much ink, especially with the distinctive stamps. What you can do is take a gift card and just move the ink to one side, and then you have less concentrated ink. You can stamp it, and then you can always smooth it back, move it back. So sometimes I do that depending on how wet my ink pads are. And there you go. And I'm just gonna clean it off. I might run it under the sink to reuse again. And that is how you re-ink your ink pad. Thanks for watching. I am Christine at mailsomethingpretty.com. Have a great day.